Okay, so we are going to start today again the straight line part. So till now whatever we have learned is the graph, how to draw the graph of y is equal to mx plus c. So the three things that should immediately come into our mind and the corresponding coordinates. So the first thing that I taught you on that day is y-intercept,
Intercept.
which is also known as c, and the coordinate is 0 comma c, right? The second thing
Yes.
that comes into our mind is slope,
Slope.
which is given by the coefficient of x, that is m, and the coordinate. If I want to see the coordinate, what I can do is I will put 1 comma c plus m. Just check it out. Are you getting it?
Okay. Yeah.
If I put x equal to 1,
Yes.
x equal to 1, it will be m plus c. Then the
Mm.
third coordinate can be found using the x-intercept, which is given by the formula minus c into 1 upon m. I wrote it like this
Yes.
because in this form it is easier to understand. And the coordinate
Yeah.
of,
Instead of minus c by m.
yeah, because if the m is in fraction, okay, you will get confused. So rather you just multiply by the reciprocal of m.
Yeah.
And the coordinate can be minus c upon m comma 0.
0.
Let us take one example.
Can I just write this down once
Yeah,
more?
please write this.
Yes.
Done. Okay, let us take one
Yeah.
example. So y is equal to 2 by 3x minus 4 by 9. Okay, I'm making it a bit tougher so
Okay.
that we will see how to draw it. So the first thing is y-intercept, which is the point given by 0 comma negative 4 by 9.
Yes.
The second point will be given by the slope, which is 1 comma, no, now in this case we will not do 1. In this case we are not going to do 1. What we are going to do it, we have to be very clever here. So I will add 3 from here. Can you see the denominator? I'm
Yeah.
adding 3 from here, and I'm going to add 2 in this minus 4 by 9.
Okay.
So 2 minus 4 by 9 is will be equal to 1 5 by 9. Just check it out if you can do that easily as well or not. Are you able to do this quickly?
Okay.
Are you able to do this quickly? No?
I can do it, but not really quickly.
Okay, I will guide you this as well. So we will keep learning new things. So suppose you think you are
Okay.
standing on 4 by 9. You are standing on 4 by 9. So is 4 by 9 between 0 and 1?
Yes.
So you want to reach at 1. How many jumps you have to make? How much should I add to 4 by 9 so that to reach at 1?
Okay.
Tell
Got
me.
it. 5 by 9.
5 by 9. Good one. So if you are standing on 4 by 9, you will take a jump of 5 by 9. So my question was, what is 2 minus 4 by 9? So just think in your mind, you are standing on 4 by 9. You will take a jump of 5 by 9 to reach at 1. How much? But where is the final destination? It is at 2. So how much
2.
more jump you will take? One more.
9 by 9.
Don't say 9 by 9. It is 1. So you will
Okay.
say 1 5 by 9. Are you getting it? See
Yes.
how earlier persons were doing it, or how you were doing it earlier. You were doing it like this. I will tell you. You were taking the LCM as 9.
Mm.
You will write it as 18 minus 4. Then you might be doing as 14 by 9. Again you will write it as 1 5 by 9, which we have done in a single step.
Okay.
Are you getting it?
So if this is 3 minus 4 by 9 will be 2 5 by 9.
Yes. Now let me ask you. 13 minus 2 7 by 9. Let me make it tougher as well.
Okay.
So now what is 13 minus 2? Tell me.
11.
11. So it is 11 minus 7 by 9. Are you getting it now?
Yeah.
Now you are standing on 7 by 9. So how much more is needed to reach 1?
2 by 9.
And after that, how much more you need to reach 11?
10.
So the
Okay.
answer is 10 2 by 9. You can have a check as well. Let's see. So 13 minus 9 into 2 is 18. 18 plus 7 is 25 by 9. Now how much is? So 9 into 13 is how much? 170 minus 25. So 7 minus 5 is 2. 11 minus 2 is 9. 92 by 9. So it is 10 2 by 9. See, it took me 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. But here I have done in just 2 steps. We can do it mentally as well. I'm not asking you to do it mentally. As of now, you can have a practice. See, there are two ways to do a
Okay.
question. There are two ways to do a question. One is the formal way to get the marks, and one is the mental way. The mental way will keep on proving you are on a right path. Because unless you do, you'll not have a confidence whether I'm doing it right or wrong, whether I'm doing it right or wrong. You keep on
Mm.
asking yourself. You will doubting yourself. But as soon as you have a mental math, you will see, okay, this is going to be this as well, and in fact you are finding it as well. Both ways you are getting the same thing. Understood? Now, how many points we need to draw the graph?
Yeah.
Just 2 points.
Mm.
Okay. So we will draw two straight lines. So 0 comma minus 4 by 9. Let this be 1. This is be minus 1. So minus 4 by 9 will be somewhat here. Then 3 comma 1 5 by 9. So let us say 1 2 3 4. So 1 5 by 9 must be somewhat here. So 3. Sorry,
Mm.
3 must be here, and 1 5 by 9. So let us suppose this is going to be 2. So this is 1 2 3 4 3 comma 1 5 by 9. So it might be somewhat here. So we will join them when the graph is made.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes.
This is the toughest of toughest graph. I have made this also fraction, this also fraction, everything I made fraction. But you will not
Mm.
get such questions. You will get simpler questions.
Okay.
Please note it down.
Okay.
Okay, done.
Mm.
Any doubt?
Ye- Yes.
Okay, so let me see what are the other topics. Similarity.
Yeah, sure.
Equation of a straight line. So now, can you write the equation of a straight line by looking at the graph? Can you write the
No,
equation
I
of a
can try.
yeah? So equation of a straight line is given by so how many kinds of equation of a straight line we have? So first form is slope intercept form, which is y is equal to mx plus c. This is known as a slope intercept form. This is the first form known as
Okay.
slope
Slope intercept.
intercept form. This is the easiest form. You can get c and slope. I told you how to draw the graph. Very easily you can get 2 points, 0 comma c and 1 comma c plus m.
Yeah,
Then there is standard form, which is written as ax plus by is equal to c.
equal to C.
This is known as standard form.
Oh, okay, yeah. And then the other one is y minus y1 equal to f into x minus x1.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so how to draw the graph for this kind of equations? You know how to draw the graph of these kind of equations?
Yeah, I can find the value of the point in x-axis by keeping the y as 0.
Very
And
good.
the same for...
So you can have 2 points. So the 2 points are going to be, let us say if I put y is equal to 0, so the point is going to be minus c by a comma 0, and the other point will be 0 comma minus c by b. See, these are the 2 points from here.
Okay.
Are you getting it? I am putting y 0, so x is going to be minus c by a. So minus c by a, x is 0, and 0 comma minus c by b, y is 0.
Okay. Yeah.
Are you getting it? So you can find the 2 points like this, and if you have the 2 points, you can easily draw the graph. So that is the standard form. Then there is a point slope form. Point slope form. You know what is a point slope form?
Point on the slope.
Okay, good one. So a point is given to you and you can equate it with the slope. Let us see. So suppose you have been given a slope. So if I put a point here, can you tell me how many lines can pass through it?
Infinite.
Infinite points. Infinite lines. Good.
Yeah.
But if I give you a slope, if I give you a slope, slope means the direction with x-axis. The direction with x-axis. So see how many lines. So I can only translate this. I cannot rotate. If a slope is fixed,
Direction.
this is known as a direction. The angle, this angle is known as a direction. So
Okay.
now you see, I can't move this. I can rotate this. Means the direction will get changed. So the direction has to be fixed. Now how many lines can pass through the point having this direction? Only one single line. Only one single line. If I get a direction, if the direction is fixed and the point is fixed, how many lines can be drawn? Just a single line.
Only one single line.
Yes. And what is the equation of that line? That is the question. So how to find the equation of that line? Let us say you give me a slope of a line. Tell me any slope. Any number you can say, any fraction, any number, anything.
For m,
Yeah, that is slope.
11 by 3.
11 by 3. It is a simpler number. Okay. So
You're saying
11.
that this is simple.
This is not simple, my dear. Simple is 2, 1, 5,
Okay, you
3,
want it to be simple.
2 by 3. These are the simple numbers. 11 by 3 is not a simple number. Your voice is cracking. Your voice is cracking there. Just check your net connection.
Okay, my connection was unstable, so I couldn't hear what you said.
Okay, can you hear me now? Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, good one. So the slope you have given is,
changed my network.
okay. So the slope you have given is 11 by 3. Can you tell me a point from which this slope you need to pass through?
Can you take m as 7?
No, it's okay. I have taken 11 by 3. I'm not scared of any number. You tell me any point from your end. Tell me a point from your end. Any point from your end. Tell me a coordinate of the point from your end through which this slope of line will pass.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I asked you if you can change m into 7.
No. I told you that let m be 11 by 3. No worry for that. I'm just asking you to tell me another point through which the slope of this line will pass through that. Tell me.
2, 6.
2, 6. Okay. So let there be any point.
Yeah.
So 2, 6 might be somewhat here. Just check it out. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is 2, 6. Okay. Now 11 by 3 means what? So 3 units in the x direction and 11 units in the y direction. So the first line that you can have will be this. So I have to translate this line. I have to translate this line in such a way so that it passes through 2, 6. Are you getting it? I have to translate this.
Yes.
See, if I translate suppose I am going like this. So I am facing the same direction only. But if I rotate, the direction is changed. So this is known as a translation. So translation is allowed as far as you are not you are not rotating anything.
Okay.
So I'm just translating like this and this. So how to do that? Let us suppose that there be a point. Let us suppose that there be a point here in this axis whose coordinate is x comma y, random coordinate.
Okay.
X comma y, and these are the same x and y. So this particular coordinate will satisfy the equation of this line. Are you getting it? So if x comma y, if a line is passing through 2 points, let us say 2, 6 and x comma y, you know what is the slope of this line? The slope of the line is given by the formula y minus 6 upon x minus 2. You know this or not?
Yeah, I do. Y minus y1 by x minus x1.
So y minus 6 upon x minus,
x1.
yeah, so this is equal to what? This is equal to slope. And you gave the slope already as 11 by 3.
Yes.
So I will do the cross multiplication. So I will get 3 times y minus 6 is equal to 11 times x minus 2.
Okay.
In fact, I will write y minus 6 is equal to, I don't need to do the cross multiplication. I will take only x minus 2 on that side. So I did wrongly this. So let this be here only. So I just took x minus 2 on the other side. So y is going to be 11 by 3 times x minus 2 by 3 plus 6. So the equation will be y is equal to 11 by 3x Now tell me from your sharp mind, what is 6 minus 2 by 3 going to be?
Okay, I might take multiple steps for that.
No, you can do in one step. I know that you can do it. You start your journey from 2 by 3, end up to 6. Tell me.
Okay. 1 by 3. So 5, 1 by 3.
Very good. So 11 by 3x plus 5 1 by 3. Are you getting it? Or you can say y is equal to 11 by 3x plus 3 5 is 15, 16 by 3. This is your equation of a straight line passing through a point given a slope. Understood?
Okay.
Are you getting it? You please
Yes.
note it down. Just note it down.
Can I also write it as 3y is equal to 11x plus 16?
Which form of equation will that be? We have written in the form of slope intercept form. If you write it, so that is not a standard form. Either you write it like this, 11 by 3x or 11x minus 3y plus 16 is equal to 0. Either write like this. This is okay. Either write ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, or write in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. But as I said, this is the easiest form of understanding. So, and you can just get it done in just one step. We just took 6 on the other side, open the bracket and added them.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes. Yeah.
And then we will generalize this. Done?
Just a minute. Yes.
So let us take some general point. Let us say the point given is x1 comma y1 from where the line is passing through. This is the point, and the slope given to us is m. So the equation of the line will be y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to slope, that is m. So we can write it as y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, and the better form of understanding it will be y is equal to m times x minus x1 plus y1. So either you can understand from this or you can understand from this. Given 2 points and a slope, the equation
of the previous one.
You knew this one?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah, I'm confident with that one. Y minus y1.
okay, so understood now? From where it came, you understood that as well?
Yes.
Very good. So point slope form is y minus y1 times m is equal to m times x minus x1. This is known as point slope form, or you can rewrite it as y is equal to m times x
Okay.
minus x1 plus y1. So 3 form of straight lines. Then there will be one more
Okay.
case. There will be one more case in which the slope might not be given to you, but 2 points will be given to you. The line passing through 2 points. So there is a chapter in grade 9 in CBSE board. I don't know whether you have heard of it or not. In your board, I don't know. Euclid's geometry.
Okay.
In that, Euclid was the first mathematician who documented all the geometrical parts and geometrical statements, because earlier it was like verbal, but the verbal, how many times the verbal can keep on in your mind, so you have to write it. So he was the first mathematician who documented. So he was the first person who said that how many lines can pass through 2 points? Tell me. How many lines can pass through 2 points?
One.
Only one. Only one line can. See, if I draw a point, I ask you how many lines you can draw from here. You can draw infinite lines.
Yeah.
But if I say you have to draw these 2 lines, so a line passing through these 2 points, so you can just join them, but there is no other way to join them. This is the one unique way, the straight line passing through both the points. So we say in mathematics, it is a axiom that 2 points. So there is one and unique line which passes through 2 points. There is one and only one unique line which passes through 2 points. Having said that, if I say that there are 2 points given to you, how many lines can pass through it? Only single line.
Only one.
One line. So let us say the points, you give me any 2 points, coordinate of 2 points.
Minus 6 comma 1 and 3 comma 4.
Okay. Minus 6 comma 1 and
3 comma 4.
3 comma 4.
3 comma 4.
Okay. So line is passing through these points. Okay. So can you tell me what is the slope? Slope is change in y divided by change in x. Now can you tell me what is the change in y? 4 minus 1.
Okay, 3 by, okay, 4 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 6.
So that means 3 plus 6. So the slope is
Plus.
3 by 9, which can be revised as 1 by 3. Are you getting it?
Yes.
What is the slope? 1 by 3. 1 by 3
1
means
by
what?
3.
If somebody asks you what is the meaning of 1 by 3, so you can easily understand in a slope form like I am going to buy 3 chocolates for 1 rupee. That is 1 by 3. The cost of 1 chocolate
So
is 1.
increase in,
You increase anything by
increase in the y coordinate of 1
no,
will
you don't.
result in the increase.
Yes. So you don't increase in y coordinate actually. You move in the x coordinate. That will increase in the y coordinate.
Okay.
Okay, you say like this. Don't say I will increase in y coordinate. You can't increase in the y coordinate. You will move in the x coordinate, and that increase, that run will make you rise by one step in y coordinate. Your 3 run will make 1 rise.
Okay, so the increase of 3 units.
Yes, in the x coordinate.
So yeah, got it. So increase of 3 units in the x coordinate will result in increase of 1 unit in the y coordinate.
Very good. Or you can say, I will buy 3 chocolates and pay 1 rupee to the shopkeeper. This is the number of articles you are purchasing, and this is the price that you are paying. This is the whole, it is known as a rate. So rate is what? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means what? 3 for 1. Suppose you get 3 chocolates for 1 rupee. Can you tell me what is the cost of 1 chocolate?
1/3.
So if the slope comes out to be 2 by 5, how you will say this? Tell me. How you are
Yes.
going to say this?
I can buy 5 chocolates for 2 rupees.
Very good. Understood?
Thank you.
Or
Yeah.
or the other way of saying it, you will say I will take 5 run in the x coordinate, which will make me 2 rise in the y coordinate.
Y coordinate. Yes.
Okay? And if it is negative, then what
Yes.
you will say?
I don't know what I'll say, but I'm confident that I can do it in the graph.
Okay. So this you will say that if I buy 5 chocolates from the shopkeeper, he will pay me 2 rupees.
Oh, okay.
Okay? That is negative 2. You are not
Yeah.
paying. You are not paying, you are getting it.
Mm.
So if you buy 5 chocolates from the
Okay.
shopkeeper, suppose the shopkeeper, suppose you think like this. So there are too many chocolates in the shopkeeper's house and they are all going to expire. So,
Mm.
so what he did, he made a plan so that
Okay.
to acquire the customer, so that they can think that he is gifting to them. So let us see, let us assume that it is
Mm.
of the 25th of December and he is going to give a Christmas party. So what he will say, okay, come to my shop, take 5 chocolates and I will gift you 2 rupees. So every children will go, okay, give me 5 chocolates, I'm
Mm.
getting 2 rupees as well. So that is negative 2 by 5.
Yeah.
Are you getting it?
Okay. Yeah.
So instead of,
So increase of 5 in the run will result in the decrease of 2 in rise.
very good one. So understood? Mathematically,
Okay.
imagination, everything.
Yes.
Good one. So that is the
Yeah.
slope we have got. Now we got the slope now. So equation of a line
Mm.
can be made by any of these two lines. Now we have a slope point formed. Try to understand. We got a slope, we got a point, we have got 2 points.
Yeah.
So both ways we can draw the line. Both ways we can make the equation of a line.
Mm.
Either we go by this or we go by this. We will land on the same page. I will show you.
Okay.
See this. So the first equation I am going to make with the point A. So point A will be y minus y1 is what? 1 is equal to x minus x1, that means x plus 6 times slope. Slope is what? 1 by 3. So I cross multiply, so it will become,
Okay. I can take either of the point.
yeah, either of the point. So I cross multiply, so 3y minus 3 is equal to x plus 6, or I can write x minus 3y. I will take minus 3 on this side, so it will become plus 9 is equal to 0. This is from
Okay.
the first point.
Yeah.
Now let us find the equation of a line from the second point. You might be
Mm.
thinking, sir, with the second point, am I going to get the same equation? Of course, we are going to get the same equation because the slope is found from those 2 points only. So let us see. So we will write y minus 4 is equal to 1 by 3 times x minus 3.
X minus 3.
So this will become 3y minus 12 is equal to x minus 3. So if I take everything on the other side, it will become x minus 3y again plus 9 is equal to 0.
Mm.
Are you getting it?
Yeah. Yes.
So how to,
Yeah.
so
Got it.
please write it down and then we will generalize this.
Mm. Yeah. Done.
Done? Okay.
Yes.
So if I want to generalize this, let us suppose that the line is passing through 2 points, x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. These 2 points are given, but no slope is given. So you can have two form of the straight line, but both will end up to the same equation of the line, and you can write like this. So y minus y1 upon x minus x1. This is what? This is the slope. Don't write it. Just
Equals
this.
to M.
No, but you don't
Yeah.
have. But you don't have m, my dear. You've been given these 2 points, so you will write y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is the slope.
Okay.
Are you getting it? So to generalize this, I can write it like this: y minus y1. See this again. You can compare with this. Y minus y1 is equal to, instead of slope, I am going to write y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 times x minus x1. This is the equation of a straight line passing through 2 points.
Okay.
Either you get this way, or you can get one more way, which is instead of y1 you can replace y2 and x2. You can write any of these two. Both will work. Both will end up to the same equation of the straight line.
Okay.
So these are the 4 standard form of straight lines.
Okay. Done.
Done? So if I look at your book,
Yes.
they are saying if theta is the inclination of a line, then the value of tan theta is called the slope or the gradient of a line, and it's denoted by m. Theorem 1, the slope of a line parallel to x-axis is 0. The slope of a line x-axis is 0. Okay. So what is the slope of a line parallel to x-axis? Suppose I draw a line like this. What is the slope of this line?
Okay.
So slope of this line is y2 minus
90
y1 upon
degrees.
x2 minus x1. So let us suppose this is x1 comma y1 and this is x2 comma y2. So is it y2 or it is
Okay.
y1
But then the
only?
y coordinate will be the same.
Yeah, it will be y1 only. So y1 minus y1 will be
Same.
0. So slope of the line will be 0. And how you can imagine this? You can imagine by keeping a ball on this. So if you put a ball on this, you will find that the ball is not going anywhere because there is no slant. There is no force. Only one force is acting, which is normal reaction. Below that we have mg. So Newton's first law of motion will say if a ball is at rest, it will remain in rest until unless any external unbalanced force is applied on the ball. So if ball is on rest, you can say the slope is 0.
Okay.
Understood?
Got it. Yeah.
What is the slope of this line? Can you tell me?
If it's the same for y-axis,
For this,
slope will be 0.
for this, the slope will be 0. Come on. The slope is not defined, my dear.
Okay. Because it's divided by 0.
Yes. At the same point, how many y are there? You can't divide it by 0. So it is not defined. The slope of a line parallel to y-axis is not defined. Understood?
Yeah.
The slope of a line parallel to y-axis is not defined.
Okay.
So slope you have understood. Let us do some questions now. Okay, so let me see which page is this. Trigonometry, mensuration, probability, geometry, circles, coordinate geometry, slope intercept form, equation of a line. So in your
Chapter
book,
12, right?
chapter number, which chapter?
12.
Okay, 241.
Page.
241 is that.
Yeah.
So in that, if I see the definition is given: inclination of a straight line, horizontal, vertical and oblique lines. So it is given that any line parallel to x-axis is called a horizontal line on the first page, 241. Any line parallel to
Yeah.
y-axis is called a vertical line. A line which is neither parallel to x-axis nor a y-axis is known as oblique line. So this is horizontal line, vertical line, and all other lines are oblique lines. Every other line will be known as oblique
Okay.
lines. Okay. Now the slope or the gradient of a straight line. So if theta is not equal to 90 degree is the inclination of a line, then tan theta is known as slope or gradient of the line. The slope of a line is usually denoted by m, and if theta is not equal to 90 degree, the inclination of a line is m is equal to tan theta. Okay. So why it is not
Yes.
finding for 90 degree? Because for 90 degree the theta will not be defined, because sin tan theta is not defined for 90 degree. If you do it sin theta by cos theta, cos 90 is 0, division by 0 is not defined.
Okay.
Now coming to the first question, equation of a straight line. So 12.2.1, if you see this,
Page
uh,
number?
page number is on 242 only. The point number 4, intercepts made by the line on the axis, which I have already taught you. So intercept is y-intercept means you will keep x as 0, and x-intercept means you will keep y as 0.
Y as 0.
Okay.
Yes.
Now convention is not required for us, we already know this. Equation of a straight line parallel to x-axis, we have done this, is of the form what? Equation of a line parallel to x-axis. So if it is parallel to x-axis, let us say this is line I am going to draw parallel to x-axis. So you see, if it is parallel to x-axis, you can fix y here. What you are fixing? You are fixing y. So it will be of the form, y is equal to b. You have fixed y if it is parallel to x-axis. Try to understand like this.
Okay.
So have you seen the train? Have you ever went into a train?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you look outside the train and if you have ever sat on the window seat, you will see that there are two parallel rail tracks that goes along with you. Okay. Now let us see that, let us assume one of the track as x-axis, and you assume yourself the land as two-dimension figure. So if you are moving on this axis parallel to this x-axis, which part you are not moving in? What is the area, what is the length you are covering? You are covering only x direction, you are not covering y direction. The line parallel to x-axis, you are covering only x direction, you are going like this only, all the stations are coming on this line only. because this is a straight path which you are following. So what is fixed? If you are moving on x-axis, what is fixed? Fixed is y. So y is equal to b is the equation of a line parallel to x-axis.
Okay.
And what will be the equation of a line parallel to y-axis? It will be x equal to a. In that case, you will fix x.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes.
So this is equation of a line parallel to y-axis. For y-axis, it is x equal to a, and for x-axis, it is y is equal to b. Just the opposite.
Parallel to y-axis would be x equal to a.
Yes. Done? Okay. Okay, so now after that they have slope intercept form. We have already discussed it. Y is equal to mx plus c. Point slope form, we have discussed it. You can see section 12.2.4, the page number 243. Y minus y1 is equal to, yeah, 1 point form, m times x minus x1. We have also discussed 2 point form. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1, page number 244. You can see that. Okay. Let us see some examples. So example 1, find the slope of a line whose inclination is 60 degree. So what is tan 60? Root 3. So the slope is root 3. Very easy. Tan 60. Find the equation of a straight line parallel to x-axis and passing through the point 3 comma minus 5. So it is passing through 3 comma minus 5. And it is parallel to which axis, beta? X-axis. It is parallel to x-axis. So if it is parallel to x-axis, which part you are not moving on?
Y.
So that the equation will be y is equal to -5.
Okay.
Because the same line is passing through this point. So it will only pass if you have fixed the y as -5, or else it will just pass above or below this point. Are you getting it?
Yes.
So see the question number 2, example number 2. Find the equation of a line parallel to x-axis and passing through point 3 comma minus 5. You can see the answer given to us is y plus 5 is equal to 0 or y is equal to -5. The equation of a straight line whose inclination is 45 degree and whose y-intercept is -3. See this. Y-intercept is -3. So -3 means 0 comma -3.
Yeah.
So what is the slope of this line if the line is having an angle of 45 degree? This angle is 45.
45 equals to 1.
1. So the slope is 1. So slope intercept form. So slope is 1. So y is equal to 1x minus 3. So y is equal to x minus 3. Very easy.
Yeah.
Are you getting it? You just need a slope and an intercept to write the equation of a line. So you can see that question as well. Question example number 3. Then they're asking you to write the equation of a straight line is given by the formula 3x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. You have been given
what? X minus 3y minus 7 equals to 7. Ax plus by equals to c.
No, just this is the equation given to you. So you have to find the gradient of a line. You have to find the gradient of a line. Gradient means you have to write this in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. This is the form where you have to write like this. Okay. I will teach you how to write this in one step. Okay, just see.
Okay.
So before that, I would like to see some of the language part. If you can say, if I add x plus 5 and I'm getting 7, how you will say this statement in English? Five added to a number.
Using an example or not?
You can say 5 added to
Results
a
in
number
7.
gives 7, right?
Mm.
Now what you will say?
5 added to twice a number.
Good one. Now what you will say?
2/3 into a number plus 1/3
Plus is
gives
not allowed.
7.
Plus is not allowed. Plus is the
Oh,
lowest form of English. It is the
okay.
cheapest form of the English. Don't use plus. You can use more, you can
Okay.
use added, you can use some, but don't use plus. Let the plus be
Okay.
used by
1
ambulance.
by 3 added to. Okay. 1 by 3 added to 2 by 3 times a number gives 7.
Okay, so good one. But the more accurate form of it is saying is 1/3 added to 2/3 of a number will give you 7. All right.
2/3 of a number times.
No, say
Okay,
2/3
yeah.
of a number itself is times.
Okay.
Now tell me.
Okay. 1/3 added to 2/3 of a number.
No, you can't do a number. See, this is not solved. You will say 2/3 of 2/7 added to a number.
Hmm.
2/3 of 2/7 added to a number.
Okay.
Are you getting this?
Hmm.
And if
Yeah.
I ask you to solve x from here, if I ask you to solve x from here in one step,
Hmm.
how you can do that? It's very easy. You focus on this, see what has
In one
happened.
step.
Yeah, one step. Just take, so you have understood the journey of x, what was happened to x. First 2 by 7 was added, then 2 it was multiplied by 2 by 3 and 1 by 3 was added, and then you got 7. So now you have to reverse the process. Suppose you are here, you are going like this, again I am asking you to come back. So you will do the reverse process of everything. So you said 1 by 3 added, so you will subtract 1 by 3. Then you said 2/3 of a number, I said let it be 3/2. Then you said it 2/7 more than a number, so you will subtract 2 by 7 from it. Did you get this?
Yes.
So in one step we can write what is x. So same process need to be followed here as well. If you can understand this, you want to write this, you can write this. Please write this and then we will play with this.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So if I want to take out 5y from here, see what I'm going to do. I will take 3y on the other side. I will take 3y on the other side and I will write 3 by, and bring 3 below this. So 3 by 3 times x minus 7 by 3. Are you getting it?
Yes.
In the next step, we can write y is equal to x minus 7 by 3. Can you tell me what is the gradient of this?
1.
Wonderful. It's so easy. Now the
Yeah.
question is,
So what did you do? You took 3y to that side, but then the coefficient of y was back
yes,
for division.
yes.
Okay.
I need to separate y from everything. I need to separate y from everything. So what I did, since it was negative, I took this on the other side and again brought 3, again brought 3, because 3 is being multiplied. See, when it was multiplied, it went there and become the reciprocal. So 3 will become 1 by 3. So 3 by 3. This 3 is of y.
Okay, yeah, got it.
The second question, if the rate is 1, my dear, what is the angle of inclination? Tan theta is 1 at what angle?
45.
45 is second
45
question.
degrees.
So you can see the second angle has been answered as well. The inclination is 45 degree. They've asked the what is the y-intercept. See, y-intercept has been answered as well. Negative 7 by 3.
7 by 3.
Easy. Understood all the 3 questions?
Yes.
Good. Coming to example 5. Find the equation of a line through 1, 3 making an intercept of 5 on the y-axis. So you have been given a point and the other point is not given to you. See, they are very clever. They are not giving you point, but they are giving you an intercept. See, how we can draw a line? We can draw a line if the slope and a point is given. You think like this, if a slope and a point is given, if a point and a point is given, if 2 points are given, then we can draw a line. See, if 2 points are given, we can draw a line. If 1 point and slope is given, we can draw a line. These are the only 2 ways we can draw a line. Or or we can say the intercept and the slope is also given. So slope and intercept is not given. So they have given the 2 points in a hidden format. So if they have given the intercept is on the y-axis is 5, that means it is passing through 0, 5.
Okay.
Understood?
Intercept of 5 on the y-axis itself. So 0, 5.
So 0, 5.
Yeah.
Are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay. So now you have been given 2 points. So can you tell me what is the slope of this line?
Y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2.
So which you are considering as y1? Which you are considering as y1? Which point you will consider? 3. Okay. So y minus 3 is equal to x minus
3.
Okay. So x minus 1 times. So what is the slope? Slope is y2 minus y1. So 5 minus 3 is 2 divided by 0 minus 1 times x minus 1. I think this is what you were saying to me.
Yeah.
So we will again solve it. So 5 minus 3 is going to be 2 and 2 by minus 1 is going to be negative 2x plus 2.
Negative 2.
And if I multiply, you will get my negative 2x plus 2. So y is going to be negative 2x. Minus 3 will go on the other side. It will become plus 5.
Okay.
So this is what is being asked. Yeah, which is the required equation.
Yes.
Question number 6, example number 6. So find the equation of a line with slope -2 which intersects x-axis at a distance of 3 units to the left of origin. To the left of origin is -3, and intersecting the x-axis means y coordinate is 0, and the slope is given to you.
Yes.
If slope is given and a point is given, you can make the equation of a line. Are you getting it? We are not going to discuss anymore that. Next question. You understood this?
Yeah, got it.
Point slope form.
I'll be using y minus y1 equals to, yeah, m into x minus x1.
Good one. Given the equation of a line y is equal to 4, write the slope of L2 if L2 is the bisector of angle O. Write the coordinates of the point P and find the equation of L2. So there are three things. First thing is, given the equation of a line y is equal to 4. So y is fixing,
Yeah.
that means it is parallel to x-axis.
X-axis, which means x is 0.
No, x is not 0, y is 4. The slope is 0.
Oh, okay.
X is not 0. X is 0 for the equation of y-axis. For this axis, you can say the equation of y-axis is x equal to 0 and the equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0.
Y equal to 0. Okay, not in between.
Now they have asked us that a line which is bisecting the angle O, this angle, okay, so if it is bisecting line L2, if L2 is the bisector of angle O, so angle O is how much? 90 degree.
90.
Bisector of this angle will be how much? 45 degree.
45.
So the slope is how much? 1.
1.
And if the slope of a line is 1, the line is the simple equation y is equal to x. What is the line? Y is equal to x.
Equal to x.
So the first equation is slope of a line is 1, that is being solved. The second equation is they need the coordinate of the point P. So can you tell me the point P, y is equal to x. So it will pass through, it is going to pass through 4, 4. Because y is equal to x, y is equal to x. So if y is 4, what will be x? X will also be 4 only.
4. Yeah.
Understood? So both the lines will meet at 4, 4. Now the third equation they have asked is find the equation of line L2. So equation of line L2 is, we have already done it, y is equal to x. I think all the question has been answered now.
Yeah,
okay, you
so
can,
y minus x equals to 0.
or you can write x minus y equal to 0, or you can write y is equal to x. Everything works.
Okay.
So this is the slope intercept form. Here the intercept is 0. This is slope intercept form. Intercept is 0, slope is 1. You can see the working in this. You can see the working in the solution, how the answer has to be written.
Yeah.
Okay, the slope of a line joining P and Q is 1 by 2. Find K. You can find it by making the equation, linear equation in one variable.
Yeah.
This is of the form linear equation, midpoint of PQ using value K found in 1. So midpoint also you can find. But for midpoint, I don't know whether you know about coordinate geometry or not. Section formula, midpoint formula. You know the midpoint formula?
I do. I just have to revise.
So you have to add both
Not by
the,
heart. I don't
you have to add both the x coordinate and divide it by 2, and y coordinate and divide it by
x1
2.
plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2.
Okay, see the question 9. A line passes through points P and Q. Find the slope of a line. You can easily find equation of a line. You can easily find what is the value of P if PQ passes through p minus 1 and p plus 4. So you can substitute those values in the equation of the line to find it is means you can substitute in place of x you will substitute p minus 1, and in the place of y you will substitute p plus 4 to solve the equation.
Yes.
Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Question number 10. Find the equation of a line with x-intercept as 5. So x-intercept is 5 and passing through the point. So x-intercept is 5 means it is passing through y 5 comma 0. So now it is 2-point form. You have got 2 points now, you can make the equation. Example 11. Find the equation of a line passing through the points A and B and show the points A, B, C are collinear. So equation of a line passing through the 2 points A and B you can easily find. 2-point form, 2-point slope form, okay?
Yeah.
And then you will substitute the value of x and y as 1 comma 1 to see if the equation is correct or not, and just check it out whether 1 comma 1 is falling on that line.
Okay.
Are you getting it? Suppose you want to find whether this point is falling on these two, the line joining these 2 points. So what do you do? First you will find the equation of the line, then you substitute the value of this point in the equation of the line. Instead of x coordinate, y coordinate, and check the truthiness of the equation. If it is correct, left hand side RHS is coming correct, then it is true, or else it is false. It is not falling on that line. All right.
Okay. Yeah. Yes.
How many questions are there? 17, 18 questions. 20 questions are there. Oh my god. So as of now, I think now they have connected coordinate geometry with straight lines in further the questions what I am seeing. But if you try from your own, I think you will be able to do all such questions. We will meet again Saturday, I think. Tomorrow 6 to 7. Tomorrow 6 to 7. Till the time you keep doing,
6 p.m.
So please try to do all your textbook questions up to example number 20.
Example 20. Okay, I thought I could do IXL 3 and 4.
But that don't help you out, because in the IXL the understanding that it will give you, I have already taught you. You can check with 2-3 questions, you can do 3 and 4. That is for understanding. But how to write in the examination, it will not help you in marking this scheme. So marking scheme you have to how to write. So the book tells you how to write. Okay, mentally we can do it. So you can practice IXL as well. But up to question number example number 20, I want you to do it all the questions, even we have discussed today. Do all the questions, just write it, see it and write it, see and write. So your habit of your hand will not pain, or else what will happen in the examination, your hand will pain. You will say, oh my god, my hand is paining. For the first time I am sitting here and writing for 3 hours, and how much I have to write? It's such a lengthy paper. So that lengthy paper you have to work with your hand. So write all the 20 answers. Okay? By looking at it, don't do like this what I'm doing here. Don't do like this. This will not work. What will work according to implies to everything. Everything. Just copy from here. Alright? So let me see if you do this, and then we will do exercise 12.1 together. And then parallelism and perpendicularity. So parallel.
I have to pack for the trip as well.
No issue. You can do whatever you want.
I will try to do all 20 questions.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then
because this week is a little busy. When school reopens, I have to submit too many projects which I have to work on and pack for the trip.
You can, if you need, I can help you with my ChatGPT account. You can take the help of ChatGPT to do all your projects.
Oh, I have to write these projects. I have ChatGPT as well. I use it for everything.
Okay, no issues. Then good one. Okay, so you just try to do all the 20 questions. Once you have done with the examples, then we will move to the perpendicular, the second aspect of your textbook, and we will try to finish it tomorrow. Parallelism and perpendicularity. Okay?
Before tomorrow, is that okay? Or?
Okay, no issue. It's okay. You have Sunday as well. You can pack your bag for the trip. When you are going?
Okay. Mm. Like,
Okay, chalo bye.